If you want to hide photos and videos on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, what you can do is you can go to the gallery. Now over here we can open any of these photos or videos that you have, and you can tap on these three dots in the bottom right corner and you can choose Add to Album. And then over here we have the private album option, which we can use, and then press OK in order to confirm. We need to set a privacy protection password, which will be used in order to access the private album. So I'm gonna draw this pattern over here, and then again in order to confirm. And let's go next. You can also use your Xiaomi account in order to be able to recover the password in case you forget it. So if you want to, then go ahead and do so. If not, then you can tap on Not Now. And there we go. Of course, you can add more photos and videos into the private album at once. You just have to press and hold your finger on the first photo or video that you want to select, and then you can keep adding more stuff in here. And then we can choose Add to Album at the bottom of the screen, and we have private album. So we can select it, and there we go. If you want to see all hidden photos and videos, then at the bottom here we need to switch to this other category where we have different albums and so on and so forth, and we need to swipe down in here in order to then open the private album. We need to of course enter the privacy protection password, and there we go, we have our hidden stuff. Subscribe to my channel.